Imagine a smartphone that delivers flagship features without burning a hole in your pocket. This is the Xiaomi Poco M6, a device that champions affordability without compromising on the essentials. With a large 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, it offers an immersive viewing experience that's perfect for both work and play. Under the hood, it's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, available in 4 or 6 GB of RAM options, ensuring smooth performance across the board. The camera setup is impressive too, with a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for those perfect portrait shots. Not forgetting the 16-megapixel front camera for all your selfie needs. And to keep you going all day, it boasts a 5,000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the compelling features of this budget-friendly powerhouse. First off, the Xiaomi Poco M6 sports a large 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. It's a spectacular screen that brings your favorite content to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. With a Full HD Plus resolution, it's perfect for those who love to watch videos, browse the web, or play graphics-intensive games. The size of the display ensures an immersive viewing experience, making every image pop and every video more engaging. The IPS LCD technology guarantees wide viewing angles, so you can share your screen without losing out on the quality. And let's not forget the design. The Xiaomi Poco M6 has a sleek and modern look that is sure to turn heads. Its slim profile and comfortable grip make it a pleasure to hold and use. Whether you're a gamer or a movie buff, the display of Poco M6 will not disappoint. Under the hood, the Poco M6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. Now this is a processor that's been designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease. Whether you're scrolling through your social media feeds, catching up on emails, or playing your favorite mobile games, the Snapdragon 695 ensures everything runs smoothly. The Poco M6 comes with 2 RAM options, 4 GB and 6 GB. The 4 GB option is more than sufficient for the everyday smartphone user. It allows for multitasking between different apps without experiencing any lag or slowdown. For those who demand a little more from their device, the 6 GB option provides that extra boost in performance. This makes it ideal for heavier tasks such as gaming or running multiple applications simultaneously. Now let's talk about storage. You have 2 options here as well, 64 GB and 128 GB. This should provide ample space for all your photos, apps, and media files. But if you find yourself needing more, the Poco M6 has got you covered. It comes with a microSD card slot, allowing you to expand the storage as per your convenience. So whether you're a casual user or a digital hoarder, the Poco M6 caters to all your storage needs. Performance-wise, the Poco M6 does not disappoint. The combination of the Snapdragon 695 processor and the available RAM options ensures a swift and seamless user experience. The device handles everyday tasks and multitasking with ease, providing a smooth and lag-free performance that's impressive for a device in this price range. Furthermore, the Poco M6 runs on Android 12 with Xiaomi's custom MIUI 13 on top. This means you get a clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, along with a host of customization options to make the device truly your own. It also ensures timely security updates and new features with every Android upgrade. In terms of performance, the Poco M6 certainly punches above its weight. It offers a smooth, efficient user experience that makes it a compelling option in the budget smartphone segment. Moving on to the camera department, the Poco M6 does not skimp on quality. This smartphone is decked out with a versatile rear camera setup that's designed to capture every detail of your world. The main actor of this setup is a 50-megapixel camera. With this you can snap pictures that are sharp, detailed, and vibrant. Whether you're capturing the grandeur of a scenic landscape or the intricate details of a close-up shot, this camera has your back. But that's not all. Accompanying the main camera is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. With this, you can capture more of the world around you in a single shot. Whether it's a group photo or a sweeping landscape, the ultra-wide camera ensures that nothing is left out of the frame. To add more depth and dimension to your shots, there's also a 2-megapixel depth sensor. This comes into play when you're taking portrait shots. It helps to blur the background and bring the subject into sharp focus, giving your photos a professional look and feel. On the front of the Poco M6, you'll find a 16-megapixel camera that's perfect for selfies. This camera is designed to capture clear, detailed, and natural-looking photos. So, whether you're video calling your friends or capturing a quick selfie, you can count on this camera to make you look your best. The camera setup on the Poco M6 is complemented by a range of features that enhance your photography experience. There are various modes and filters that you can play with to add a creative touch to your shots. Plus, with features like night mode and HDR, you can capture great photos even in challenging lighting conditions. So whether you're a seasoned photographer or just someone who loves to capture everyday moments, the Poco M6 has got you covered. With this smartphone in your pocket, you'll have the tools you need to explore your creativity and document your world, one photo at a time. With the Poco M6, you'll be ready to capture all of life's moments in stunning detail. Powering all these features is a robust 5,000 mAh battery. This long-lasting powerhouse ensures you can enjoy all your favorite apps, games, and media without worrying about running out of juice. From early morning emails to late-night Netflix binges, the Xiaomi Poco M6 has got you covered. But what happens when you're running low on power? Well, the Poco M6 comes equipped with 33-watt fast charging support. This means you can spend less time tethered to a power outlet and more time on the go. Just plug it in, make a cup of coffee, and before you know it, you're ready to face the world again. It's all about making your life easier. Now let's talk about connectivity. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected is more important than ever. Whether you're streaming videos, playing online games, or simply browsing the web, you need a device that can keep up. The Poco M6 offers just that, with advanced connectivity options like 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. With 5G support, you can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds, making for smoother video calls, quicker downloads, and lag-free gaming. It's about more than just speed though. 5G also provides a more reliable connection, ensuring you stay connected, even in crowded areas. So, whether you're at a packed concert or in a busy shopping mall, you can trust the Poco M6 to keep you connected. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are, of course, standard features, allowing you to connect to the internet and pair with other devices effortlessly. And with NFC support, you can make contactless payments, share files with a simple tap, and more. It's all about providing you with a seamless and convenient experience. With the Poco M6, you're not just ready for today, but also for the future of connectivity. This device isn't just about meeting your needs right now, it's about anticipating and preparing for what's to come. With its impressive battery life and advanced connectivity options, the Poco M6 ensures you're always one step ahead. The Poco M6 also boasts a suite of additional features to enhance your smartphone experience. Notably, it comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. This ergonomic design lets you unlock your phone in a snap. Just tap, and you're in. It's not only fast, but also adds an extra layer of security to your device. Next up is the Infrared Blaster, or IR Blaster for short. This nifty feature turns your smartphone into a universal remote control. Imagine controlling your TV, air conditioner, or other household appliances right from your phone. It's convenience right at your fingertips. Now let's talk about the audio experience. The Poco M6 houses stereo speakers that deliver a balanced, immersive sound. Whether you're watching your favorite movie, streaming a podcast, or just jamming out to your favorite tunes, these speakers are sure to impress. But what's a smartphone without its operating system? The Poco M6 runs on Android 12 with a touch of Xiaomi's custom interface, MIUI 13. Android 12 is Google's latest OS, bringing a host of new features and improvements. It's all about personalization and efficiency. On the other hand, MIUI 13 adds Xiaomi's unique spin, offering a clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Poco M6 provides a perfect blend of affordability and feature richness, making it a compelling choice for smartphone shoppers. With its solid performance, impressive camera setup, long-lasting battery, stunning display, and the added perks we've just discussed, it's clear that this device punches well above its weight class. The Poco M6 truly embodies Xiaomi's mission to bring innovation for everyone without breaking the bank. So, if you're in the market for a new phone, this one's worth a serious look.